Ready for what?
To go on the boat.
How about you, Lara? What?
It's a beautiful day
Go
outside.
on the boat? Okay. Where are we now?
We are leaving Miami, going to the Keys right now.
Sunrise to be exact.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be an hour and 45-minute drive. Any last words?
Hopefully not.
Okay.
Alright guys, here we are getting ready. Here's the captain. What's up, Captain? It's Captain Eddie right there. As you know, and the co-captain over there. Look at that. Just getting the ice, as you know. Ready to go to the sandbar. Catch you guys in a little bit. We have arrived. We're 3 minutes from Snake Creek. 2 seats is like even faster than that. So what do you think, Lucas? Is this kids friendly or what? Sure. Alright, so we're here. We want to do a review about this mask. We see a lot of kids using it. So I'm going to have Lucas just do a quick swim around and let you guys know how it works. You ready, Lucas? Alright, go right here. Go. You just have to tie it up a little bit, right? So what score do you give it out of 10? 9. A 9? Okay, that's pretty good. 9 is pretty good. And of course, the time to eat. You're getting on my video. Hello. What do you think?
I think I like it.
Yeah? Harris, what do you think? What's up, Lucas? Let me see how fast you can run here. Go.
it's been a whole day of fun. And
27, 26, 25.
Lucas, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm counting.
All right, now where are we going after so many hours of fun?
Hotelation.com, Shawation, and then accommodation.
Okay, so we're going to the Fisher Inn, which is going to be our first time there.
Yep.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
How about you? Fun? A good day? I think so. You fell asleep on the boat ride back.
Oh,
All right.
we're here.
So, oh, okay. Well,
That's fast.
What?
this is very
Hey,
fast.
actually, what's
I told you it was 2 minutes. Look at rainbow
where?
What?
I don't see it.
over there. Look in the sky.
Where?
I don't see
You
it
see the
either.
rainbow in the sky?
Nope.
No, that's a bird.
Well, you guys really don't see it over there? Look
Oh,
over
I
here
do
between
see
the
it
palm
now.
trees.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, but you're going to second grade?
I got cereal.
Good morning. What are you eating?
Cereal.
You like it? Sure.